Hi, while I'm here waiting for my flight, I just thought I'd give you a MyBizTips travel tip. For those of you who fly regularly, you might be interested in this tip, and also those who don't fly so regularly but would like to save some money. Now, I've found this little trip can save me up to €1,000 a year, believe it or not, when I'm flying on what's considered to be low-cost or budget airlines. Now, for example, when I fly Vueling, it's now possible to fly either basic or Optima fares. Now, the basic fare is really basic. You don't get very much for it. You literally get to fly on the plane. With Optima, you also are allowed to check in a bag. But what I've also found is you get a number of other options that you don't really need. And there's a 40 to 50 euro difference in the fare between the basic and the Optima. So what I do now is I book my basic flights using the basic fare, and then I pick from the list as I go through the purchasing process, and I'm able to book for a seat that I want, and also in the process of having that seat I'm also able to get priority boarding for free included in the price of choosing the seat. So it costs around €6 to €9 depending on where you're sitting, and also depending on when you're watching this video. And that can save you over a year, over €1,000, and it'll obviously save you considerably more if you're a family. So that's my BizTips travel tip for today.